Welcome to Kinderbook number 4. Are you ready? Let's start. Okay, so this lesson we've been having a look at something that's really important in English, okay? And that is the concept of I, okay, I, and you, okay? Yes, you, yes, you, okay, you, I, you, okay? So I'm Masa, okay? You, I don't know, whoever is at home, I don't know your name, but you, okay, you, I, you, okay? Alright, and then when there's another boy, not me, not I, not you, but another one, we say he, okay? For example, he is Mickey Mouse. Yeah, he is Mickey Mouse. Or he is Nobita, okay? Or he is Giant, okay? Or he is Conan, okay? He. I, not Conan. You are not Conan. He is Conan, okay? He is Conan. And then when it's a girl, we use she, okay? She is Shizuka, okay? She is Minnie Mouse. She is Dokin-chan, okay? She. You are not Dokin-chan. I am not Dokin-chan. She is Dokin-chan, okay? She, he, I, you, okay? Alright. Okay, and one other thing we did with today was some feelings, okay? So the first one is I'm happy. I'm happy. Okay. I'm sad. I'm sad. Okay. Okay. I'm sleepy. I'm sleepy. Okay, so happy, sad, sleepy. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Okay. Okay. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. Thirsty. Okay, that's better. Okay. Bring up thirsty. Okay, I know. I'm angry. I'm angry. I'm angry. I'm angry. Okay. Alright. Very good job today.
It's quiz time!
This is baked tofu donuts. Yay! We did it! Yay!
Okay, so 25 minutes is up. Let's see what's happened to the pies. Dun 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 da! Wow! They look like proper pies. Okay, so I'm going to take these out. I'll show you one last picture of them, and I'm going to eat them all. No, not really, I'm not going to eat them. Okay, hang on a minute. It's quiz time!
Okay, so the next part of the homework is you have to circle what I ate for lunch. Okay, what did Masa eat? I ate. Okay, I ate. Okay, so I'm going to tell you about my lunch now. Okay, all right. Today for lunch I was very, very, very hungry, so I ate rice. I ate rice. Big bowl of white rice. Okay, and then on the rice I ate kimchi. I like spicy food. I like kimchi. Okay, so I ate kimchi on the rice. Okay, but I also like other Japanese pickles, so I also ate umeboshi. Do you know umeboshi? It's like a sour plum, Japanese plum. I ate umeboshi, and I ate broccoli, because you have to eat vegetables. Okay, I ate broccoli. It's very good for you. And one more thing. You need a little bit of like protein, some meat or something like that. I ate fish. Fish. I ate fish. Okay? So, for today's lunch, I ate rice. I ate kimchi. I ate umeboshi. I ate broccoli. And I ate fish. So there should be 5 things you circle on your homework. Okay? Alright. Good job. Alright, so we're going to play rock, paper, scissors. Yes, but look, it's a different Masa, okay? We always have the same screen, so I thought I'd try and change it so you didn't get bored. Alright, so we're going to play rock, scissors, paper again, okay? You still need to say I win, I lost, or it's a draw, okay? But we're going to try a new one, okay? You ready? Okay. Okay, are you ready? You ready? 1, 2...